How to make AI hugging trained video, AI hugging video tutorial. If you want to make an AI hugging trained video, bear in mind that this video is only meant for educational purposes only. So we're going to do this with the help of a fairly popular app called Reminina AI. We want to download the Reminina AI application, and this is the type of interface that you'll be able to see. Now under Reminina AI, it will ask us to purchase the premium, but what I recommend you do is you just enable a free trial and start the free trial. Once you have your free trial enabled, you can simply scroll down and look for a template that basically can make somebody hug, right? So there is other formats like these, but you can scroll down and you can just go ahead and then look for magic hug right here. So we'll just go ahead and select a template. Now we will choose the two photos, which is person 1 and person 2. Then we will tap the continue button. Then if you have got your free trial enabled, it will start generating the video for you for the first week for absolutely free. But to give you a basic context, this is how you can go ahead and make an AI hugging video. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.